Paralympians are like all other athletes, except for one very important piece that's missing from their puzzle. If you're thinking about their disabilities, you're wrong. Because that missing piece, well, it's you. Allianz Zagreb, in cooperation with Vetterelli, discovered that the lack of support from fans is what really differentiates Paralympians from other athletes. So they launched a campaign called Be the Missing Piece, whose goal was to change public attitude toward Paralympic athletes. Posts on the official Facebook page of the campaign were used to familiarize users with the Paralympic Games, as well as the athletes, their achievements, and hopes for the upcoming Games. All with the goal of leading users to the Missing Piece website, where they can read athletes' stories and show their support by leaving personalized messages. To convey the spirit of the Games, the website was made to feel alive, so every element on it is infused with motion. And each of the key pages is connected to one of the Paralympic values: courage, inspiration, determination, and equality. While colors and design focused on emphasizing the visual connection to each of the values, content on the page was used to convey the emotions. It was formed around athletes' personal sports-related stories and written in a signature style that perfectly describes what each of the athletes stands for. All of these elements were used to encourage users to visit the website's multi-layered gallery and show their support by leaving personalized messages. And with hundreds upon hundreds of them being posted, the athlete's Paralympic puzzle that leads to success is finally complete.